One thing that I really like about this picture profile is how easy it is to set up. I just shot that sequence and it took me a few seconds just to get the settings right. So we're picking up the mail. I have my mailbox about half a mile away from the house. Nothing on the mail. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to edit it without doing any type of color correction. Maybe I'll correct a little bit of the exposure if I missed anything, but I'm not gonna touch the colors or anything in the skin tones, and I'm gonna let you be the judge. To begin, I'm going to select my zebra levels and I'm going to set them to 85%. Then I'm going to go into my picture profile settings and select PP11 and select it. I don't need to change anything from it. There are certain situations that I rather use the S Cinetone, and are certain situations where I don't use it at all. For example, weddings, I like shooting in S-Log3. That way I have that flexibility to color grade and color correct on post and do something really branded. Now if I'm doing real estate videos that need a quick turnaround, the agent is waiting for that video, they expect me to send that video quickly, I will shoot it on S Cinetone, make sure I have the exposure correctly, and use it. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you found value in this type of content, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of these videos in the future.